everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how to force it. You can get Windows 11 to force install. Now, before I go any further, I must note, only do this to your own stuff. If someone is paying you to fix a computer, please do not do this. If it's your own stuff and something goes wrong, that is fine. If it's somebody else's stuff, you can get a lot of trouble for it, especially if you're getting paid. So, to continue with the video, what this is somebody made a registry key that patches out the basically patches out the Windows checks. Here's what happens. When you use these registry keys, Windows is going to read, the setup is going to read those registry keys instead of the original ones. So the installation is going to think you have everything you need to install Windows. So I downloaded the keys. Somebody had made keys. You can edit the registry yourself, but that is a dangerous game because if you edit the wrong key, you can crash Windows. So, I have the registry keys right here, and you have bypass, TPM, and security, and then you have another bypass, TPM, and security. There are two keys that you need to do that, which are right here. So in this case, all I have to do is left click, registry editor, and it's going to ask me, hey, you're adding something to the registry. Do you want to do that? In this case, I'm going to select yes. And it has been fully there. I'm going to add this one. Yes. Okay. So I have the Windows 11 disk in a drive, so we're going to go see if this works. Now, the reason I state because there are certain requirements that you need. Plus, doing this to somebody else can bring up ethic issues and stuff like that. So that's why I always say, if you're going to do something like this, only do it to your own stuff. So if this works and I can install Windows 11 on real hardware here, then this way I could play with it and figure it out and tell people, hey, this program is good, this program is not good, stuff like that. So it's preparing the setup. Now this is completely different from what I was doing in the previous video. What I was doing in the previous video is I was trying to get something virtual running to do it. I'm physically editing key components of the software. So when you edit a key, which is okay to do, people do it all the time. So editing a registry key is okay, but only do that on your own stuff. And yes, I will keep saying that. Even this won't work, but I am going to try to restart the machine and see if it'll work. because a lot of times you have to restart the computer to see if it'll work. So when it goes back into the operating system, I'll try it again and see what happens. All right, so we're going to try this again. Now, hopefully, it works. I don't think it will, but yeah. So even with the two registry edit keys, the system is very, 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 very strong. So this is a developer's version. So I know there's an insider one which I will try to get, and what I'll do is I'll try to install that one, and we'll see what happens. So anyway, that's it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.